Hi, are you a plumber or DIY? Well, my name is Tim and I am here to show you a really cool tool. These two tools right here come together, and this is a ratcheting stop tool. Now you might ask, what is a stop? That's the little valve that shuts off by the toilet, underneath the sinks, or however. They kind of look like this. So what you would do is you would put this on your copper that would be coming through the wall. You would take pipe dope, put pipe dope on this part of it. You would take this tool. Now this tool has threads on this side and this side, so it kind of depends on what you're working with, 3/8 or 1/2 inch. I'm using 3/8, so we're just gonna screw it right onto the piece, and that's what's gonna hold it, so that when we put this on, like so, when you tighten it up, this piece, what it does is it pulls apart. So you can put it on the pipe, like so, or on the fitting, and then put it on, like so, and then tighten it. And instead of having to remove it, it just ratchets on. And then you can tighten it. It goes both ways to where you can take off the same way or put it on. So if you're working with some plumbing that's in the bathrooms or underneath the kitchen sink, and you want to be able to change the stops, or maybe a new house that you're just adding a bathroom and putting the stops on, these are the tools.